hockey practice, camping, or date night. Wherever family adventure takes you, arrive safely in comfort and style. Spacious seating for 8 or 7 passengers, sophisticated styling, and innovative safety technology. Meet the Hyundai Palisade. The Palisade is ready to move you with a dynamic 3.8-liter GDI engine that is paired with the smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission with steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters. The traditional gear shifter has been replaced with intuitive buttons to allow for a clean look and maximized storage space. Put the powerful 262 pound-feet of torque to good use with a trailer preparation package that offers up to 5,000 pounds of towing capacity. The auto-leveling rear suspension will automatically adjust the Palisade to maintain a consistent ride height level when you are carrying heavy loads. Drive with confidence. Our H-Track all-wheel drive system lets you set the appropriate traction setting that best suits your driving environment. Simply rotate the dial to choose between 3 dedicated terrain modes: snow, mud, or sand. The Palisade also features Drive Mode Select. The different drive modes adjust the engine, transmission, and steering control settings. Choose between comfort, eco, sport, or smart. The Palisade's presence is as powerful as its performance, with signature LED lighting at the front and rear, front door handle welcome lights, one-touch button entry, and puddle lamps help enhance visibility in a dark parking lot. Complementing the Palisade's sophisticated style are 20-inch alloy wheels. Heading out on an epic road trip or just running errands? Pack it all in quickly and easily with the Smart Power liftgate. It senses the available proximity key and opens the trunk hands-free. The Palisade offers a lot of versatile space. Up to 2,447 liters of cargo capacity when second and third row seats are folded down. Conveniently placed buttons on the side of the trunk let you fold down the second and third row seats. The driver can also control the electric seats in the third row from the touchscreen display. The Palisade goes the extra mile to give you the luxurious experience you deserve, starting with passenger space. 3 rows of seating offer room for up to 8 passengers. The 7-passenger configuration features second-row captain's chairs. With either setup, the third row is conveniently accessible thanks to the one-touch walk-in button to fold and slide second-row seats, making it easy for passengers to enter and exit. Air vents have also been added above both the second and third row for added comfort. You can choose between diffuser or direct airflow. Now let's step inside to the driver's seat and sink into the premium quilted nappa leather seats. Find enhanced comfort with lumbar support and extend the bottom cushion for additional leg support, finding the perfect comfort level for you. Plus, the driver's integrated memory system will keep your settings readily available. Surround yourself in the warmth of our heated features: a heated steering wheel, heated front seats, and heated rear seats are available for second-row passengers. Also, ventilated front and second-row seats feel refreshing on warmer days. With 3-zone climate control, the driver, front passenger, and second-row passengers can all adjust the temperature to their personal preference. Front and center is the large, high-resolution touchscreen display. You can split the screen 3 ways to view multiple pieces of information at once. What makes your drive even better? The crisp sound of your favorite tunes on the Harman Kardon premium audio system. With 12 speakers throughout the cabin, everyone gets to enjoy the music. But just in case little ones in the back are sleeping, you can turn on quiet mode to mute speakers in the second and third rows so front passengers can still enjoy the music. Let the sun shine in. Everyone will love the expansive dual-panel sunroof. The Palisade connects you to the latest technology, like our BlueLink connected vehicle system. It allows you to start your vehicle remotely and so much more, all from your smartphone. When you're in closer proximity, you can also use the key fob for remote start. The sleek 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides an all-digital view of your gauges and offers a variety of different settings and information. It's where you'll find the blind view monitor, so you can see what's happening in your blind spots quickly and easily. Other great conveniences include the head-up display for important information, like if someone is in your blind spot, navigation directions, and speed, all within your line of sight. And the surround view monitor that lets you see 360 degrees around you, with multiple viewpoints, making it easier to park in tight areas. The Palisade also offers a sophisticated driver talk intercom system, amplifying the driver's voice through the audio system, so you don't have to raise your voice to talk with rear seat passengers. Enjoy up to 2 Bluetooth phone connections at once. Stream music from one phone, take a call from another. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay keep you further connected with your favorite apps safely on the touchscreen or through voice commands. And if your smartphone battery is running low, just place it on the wireless charging pad. Plus, there is a total of 7 USB outlets conveniently located throughout the cabin to help keep devices charged and connected on the go. Another feature that gives you one less thing to worry about is the rain-sensing windshield wipers. The Palisade makes the safety of you and your passengers a top priority, starting with the superstructure. It's made of our own advanced high-strength steel that's designed to be stronger, stiffer, and lighter. This strong frame is paired with our advanced Hyundai SmartSense safety innovations. An impressive list of technologies include forward collision avoidance assist. It alerts you to a potential collision with a vehicle, pedestrian, or cyclist. If you don't stop in time, emergency braking can be applied. If you drift outside your lane, the lane departure warning with lane keeping assist will alert you with audible and visual cues. The system can also gently correct your steering to help you remain within your lane. And lane following assist can assist your steering to help keep the Palisade continuously centered between the appropriate lane markings. Adaptive cruise control is great for longer trips. The system adjusts your speed to keep a preset distance from the vehicle ahead and even works in stop-and-go traffic. And our highway driving assist is like your co-pilot. It helps keep you centered in the lane and traveling at a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. It can also help you keep to the speed limit, adjusting your pace based on GPS and highway data. Change lanes with confidence thanks to the blind spot collision avoidance assist. If the system detects a vehicle in your blind spot, it will alert you and can also apply gentle braking to deter an unsafe lane change. The blind view monitor is also helpful for extra perspective. Park into even the tightest parking spot, worry-free with parking distance warning. It sounds an alert as you approach an object, in front or behind, which will increase in frequency as you approach closer to the object. Rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist also makes navigating busy parking lots a breeze. The system warns you if a vehicle is approaching from the side, as well as the direction it's approaching from, and can apply braking if no action is taken. Long road trip ahead? Driver attention warning monitors signs of driver fatigue and can suggest when to take a driving break. Another innovative feature is Safe Exit Assist, which will lock the rear doors if a vehicle is detected approaching from behind in the adjacent lane, to help prevent rear passengers from exiting the vehicle into oncoming traffic even after the vehicle ignition is turned off. And Ultrasonic Rear Occupant Alert is designed to help prevent children and pets from being accidentally left behind. Ultrasonic sensors monitor the rear seats and sound the alarm, as well as send an alert to your smartphone through BlueLink when movement is detected. Finally, High Beam Assist will automatically turn your high beam settings on or off depending on surrounding conditions at night. The Palisade is backed by our 5-year, 100,000-kilometer comprehensive limited warranty, one of the best-backed warranties in Canada, and the assurance of our 5-year unlimited kilometer roadside assistance program. Whether you're pulling up to hockey practice or arriving at the city's trendiest restaurant, the Hyundai Palisade fits your life and style.